Look into my crystal ball. I can see your future. And it looks like you're going to be experimenting with physics. Hi, I'm Bruja from DoD Starbase, New Mexico, located on Kirtland Air Force Base in Albuquerque, and I love exploring physics. Physics is a broad area of science that deals with how everything in our universe interacts. Some of those interactions have to do with mechanics, including force and motion, thermodynamics or heat exchanges, and electromagnetic waves, including visible light. Because the study of physics covers so many different kinds of interactions, the challenge is to define some guiding principles or scientific laws that help us to explain and understand the world around us. You may have heard of Newton's laws of motion, named after Sir Isaac Newton, who put forth his ideas about motion and force to our modern scientific community in 1686. Newton's first law states that an object at rest, like this soccer ball, will stay at rest unless acted upon by an outside force, like me. It also states that an object already in motion will want to stay in motion unless acted upon by an outside force, like me. Newton's second law states that force is equal to an object's mass multiplied by the object's acceleration. For instance, if I want this soccer ball to go really fast, I'll have to exert a lot of force or use a ball with less mass. Newton's third law states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. For example, if I exert force on this ball, sending it toward the ground exerts an equal opposite force to bring the ball back to me. There are so many cool ways that things interact in our universe. Have you ever heard of astrophysics? An astrophysicist uses the laws of physics and chemistry to try and understand the life and properties of things in our universe like stars and planets and comets. Wanda Diaz-Merced is not only an outstanding astrophysicist, but an amazing human. Most astrophysicists rely on looking at and analyzing line plots that track light in order to determine the intensity of a star. Wanda was born in Puerto Rico, and she was able to do this work as well until she got very sick. So sick, she lost her sight. She could no longer do the work she loved, but she figured out a way to still access the ability to analyze light waves in a different way. With a group of collaborators, Wanda was able to translate the numbers registered by analyzing light waves into sound. Not an entirely brand new concept. The groundbreaking part was the development of sonification software that now allows Wanda and many others like her to continue to hear light waves and be a driving force within our scientific community today. What an inspiration! Are you curious about the world around you or just want to know more about how things interact? Try some experiments. Not sure where to start? Follow us on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitter for some ideas. Or make up some experiments of your own. Post pictures or videos using the hashtag AFRLNMSTEM101. Happy experimenting, and remember, magic is just science that we don't understand yet. Let's figure it out.